Dolphins are incredible. They are socially skilled, intelligent, agile, joyful, and playful creatures that share many emotional similarities with humans. It is common for dolphin pods to care for their injured, old and sick members. There are even stories of dolphins coming to the aid of humans in dire time of need. 1. Dolphins are extremely playful and curious animals. They play fight with each other and also play with seaweed. They have also been known to play with other animals such as dogs. 2. A dolphin pregnancy lasts between 9 and 16 months. The mother feeds her offspring on milk. 3. A dolphin's hearing is 10 times better than any human's. 4. Dolphins are carnivores, and they don't chew their food. 5. Dolphins can jump as high as 20 feet out of the water. 6. They sleep with one eye open. Dolphins sleep by resting one side of the brain at a time. This allows them to continue rising to the surface for air and to keep an eye open to watch out for predators. 7. Dolphins have an array of vocalizations such as clicks, whistles and squeals which they use for their well-developed communication and echolocation skills. 8. Dolphins are incredibly social animals. They live in groups and cooperate with each other to get food and in raising offspring. 9. Each dolphin's dorsal fin is unique. No two are alike, just like snowflakes or fingerprints. This can be very useful in identification. 10. Dolphin eyes can move separately from one another. This can be extremely useful in observing their surroundings, especially when imminent danger is present.